The Earth's water constantly recycles itself in a process known as the precipitation, evaporation, water cycle, condensation, same. The water that we have on Earth today is the blank water that the Earth has always had. Precipitation, evaporation, water cycle, condensation, same. Blank is when heat, usually from the sun, changes liquid water on the Earth to water vapor, which rises up into the air. Precipitation, evaporation, water cycle, condensation, same. Blank is the part of the process that changes water vapor back into liquid water. Precipitation, evaporation, water cycle, condensation, same. Blank is the part of the water cycle that brings our water back down to Earth. Precipitation, evaporation, water cycle, condensation, same.